So let's just talk about functions in Python. So functions are basically used to organize code into logical blocks, and the block of code can perform a specific task. So first of all, let's just see how we can define one function. So to define one function, first of all, we use the def keyword, and after that the name of the function. So we're gonna call this greet. So this is the name of the function, and then we have the parenthesis. So parenthesis is basically used to pass parameters to the function, and then we have the colon, and after that we can have the body of our function. So in many programming languages we use curly braces to define the body of the function, but here in Python we use indentation. So we use 4 spaces. So here we should have 4 spaces. So the indentation defines the body of this function. So here we can write the body of the function. So here we can print welcome. So this way we can have multiple statements here inside that function. Now to call the function, we use the name of the function, which is greet, and this way we call the function. So whenever we call this function, so the block of code inside the function will be executed. So let's just talk about the advantages. So there are multiple advantages of using functions. So first of all, so with the use of functions we can better organize our code, and secondly we can reuse a block of code multiple times. So suppose we have a block of code that needs to be executed multiple times in a program. So writing the same piece of code in our program multiple times can lead to code duplication. So we do not want that. Instead we can put that inside a function, and whenever we need to execute the block of code we simply call the function, and this way we can reuse same block of code multiple times, and we can avoid code duplication. And thirdly, functions provide better modularity, and fourthly we can easily debug our code. So let's now create one function in Python. So first of all we have the def keyword, and then the name of the function greet, and we have the colon. Now the indentation is very important to define the body of the function. So inside the function we are simply going to print welcome to Python. So this is the function definition. Now to call the function we simply use the name of the function and then pair of parentheses, and here you can see we have the output welcome to Python. Now every time we wanted to execute this block of code we simply call the function multiple times, and without any code duplication we can have multiple output. And also in Python we can write description about that function. So here we can use the DocString. So DocString is basically 3 single or double quotes, and inside that we can write a brief description about that function. So here we can write this function prints greeting message. So the DocString specifically used to describe about that function, and whenever we execute that, this line of code will not execute. So this is the way we can define the function, and also we can call the functions in Python. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.